In Gambella region, for the first time in the leadership of Gambella, a woman never had been selected as the leader. This year, 2024, Dr. Abiy Ahmed, the Prime Minister of Gambella, decided to select a female leader. This is not a surprise to all of us. When a leadership fails, what do you think that the boss can do? The boss can remove you and put or instead somebody in your position who can do the job better. Miss Alimitu, she's a woman and she's a woman with ability. She can do things in the right way. Let's just stand together with her. Let's support her. Let's make sure that Gambella is in the right direction.